Alright guys, in today's video we're going to look at another way how you can save your CAM files. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at saving your file using the primary save or primary toolbar on top here. It's probably going to be the most common way you'll do it. But if you have to, you can also save it through the file's main menu or the main menu file. So to do that, we're going to go here onto our main menu and we're going to go to File and we want to say Save. When we click this, it's going to load and locate to where you want to save it. If you have not saved your project yet, just type in a name here at the bottom. Otherwise, I'm going to select my previous one. Now, in order to, let's say you've saved your file before, something to keep in mind, you're going to have to select it every time. Otherwise, it's going to give you a random URL. You can do that if you kind of want to make different copies of it. But I normally just select the one and then everything else should be fine. We say save and then it'll ask you to overwrite. Now, if it's your first time saving, it won't ask you this. You'll just be able to save, and then once I say yes, it'll give us this little message saying files. Basically, your file has been saved. I have a rather weird way of writing it, but yeah, this just confirms that your file has been saved. You can say okay, and then you can carry on. But yeah, otherwise that is it on saving your files. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.